In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promotional pop-up in Squarespace 7.1. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure the best result. Let's get started. First things first, open up Squarespace and make sure you're logged into your account. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's always a good idea to ensure you're logged in so you can start making changes to your site without any delays. Once you're in, you should find yourself on your homepage. It's a great launching pad for making any adjustments to your site. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll spot your profile. Go ahead and click on it. This allows you to access all the websites linked to your account. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the right one. Once you've picked the specific website you want to work on, you'll be whisked away to that site's dashboard. Next on our agenda, you'll want to find the Pages option and give that a click. This will ferry you over to the various components of your website. For our task today, you'll need to focus on marketing tools. Inside this section, you'll discover all the tools necessary to bolster your marketing strategy, including the feature for creating promotional pop-ups. After clicking on Marketing Tools, you'll want to select Promotional Pop-up. This nifty feature is designed to capture your visitors' attention effectively. Once inside, you can choose from an array of promotional layouts. Think about what would catch your audience's eye while harmonizing with your site's aesthetic. When you've chosen a layout you fancy, click on Action to determine what you want the pop-up to do. Whether you aim for it to encourage visitors to sign up for a newsletter or just click a button for further information, this step is vital for achieving your marketing objectives. Now it's time to inject some text into your pop-up by clicking on Content. Here, you'll input text for the headline and body of the pop-up. Make sure your wording is clear and concise to ensure your message resonates well and is easily grasped by your audience. To dictate when and how the pop-up appears on your site, head over to Display and Timing. This section empowers you to set the timing for your pop-up, which can be strategically placed based on user activity or time spent on a page. Finally, click on Styles to personalize the fonts, colors, and animations of your pop-up. This step is all about synchronizing the pop-up's design with your overall site theme while making sure it stands out enough to grab the viewer's attention. Once you're content with all your choices and customizations, don't forget to toggle on the Display Pop-up function. Make sure to hit Save. This final save is crucial to ensure all your hard work shines through on your live site. And there you have it. That's how you create a promotional pop-up using Squarespace 7.1. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.